Welcome. If your Telegram is constantly buzzing with updates from channels, it can quickly become overwhelming. The good news is you can easily turn off those new message notifications and enjoy a quieter experience without leaving your favorite channels. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to mute new message notifications for Telegram channels using the latest settings. First, open your Telegram app. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where you can customize everything from your privacy to notifications. Once you're inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how Telegram alerts you for messages, calls, and updates. Now scroll until you see the option labeled Channel. Tap on it to open the notification settings specifically for channels. Here you'll find different options that control how and when you receive alerts. Look for the setting called New Message in Channel under the section Notify Me About. This is the one responsible for alerting you every time a channel posts something new. Simply toggle this option off. That's it. Once you turn this off, Telegram will stop sending you notifications for new messages and channels, while still keeping you subscribed. You can always go back and turn notifications on again anytime you want. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you follow multiple active channels. It helps you stay focused while still being able to check updates whenever it suits you.